Welcome back. This is Garage Cars Greets You. Today, we're celebrating a true vintage legend, the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. With its stunning design, solid performance, and undeniable charm, this classic car has earned its place in automotive history. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Karmann Ghia a timeless icon. The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a vintage legend that seamlessly blends German engineering with Italian design flair, making it one of the most iconic classic cars of its era. Introduced in 1955, the Karmann Ghia was Volkswagen's answer to the growing demand for stylish, affordable sports cars. Today, it remains a symbol of timeless elegance, celebrated by collectors and enthusiasts worldwide for its unique charm and undeniable character. Performance-wise, the Karmann Ghia offers a driving experience that's more about enjoying the journey than breaking speed records. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable air-cooled flat-4 engine shared with the Beetle. Early models delivered around 30 horsepower, while later iterations pushed closer to 60. Paired with a smooth 4-speed manual transmission, the car provides a laid-back, engaging drive that's perfect for leisurely cruises. While not a performance powerhouse, the Karmann Ghia makes up for it with exceptional handling and a low center of gravity that ensures a nimble and enjoyable ride. The exterior design of the Karmann Ghia is where it truly shines. Designed by Italian coachbuilder Ghia and crafted by German manufacturer Karmann, its sleek and flowing lines make it a work of art on wheels. The curvaceous body, elongated nose, and elegant rear end give it a sophisticated and sporty aesthetic. Chrome accents, delicate grille details, and classic round headlights complete the vintage look, making it a standout on any road. It's no wonder the Karmann Ghia is often referred to as a poor man's Porsche, offering luxury looks at a fraction of the cost. Inside, the Karmann Ghia continues its blend of simplicity and style. The cabin is compact yet comfortable, featuring a minimalist dashboard, analog gauges, and high-quality materials that have stood the test of time. The seats are supportive and well-suited for long drives, while thoughtful touches like the woodgrain trim and vintage steering wheel enhance its retro appeal. Despite its sporty coupe design, the Karmann Ghia offers decent practicality, with enough room for 2 passengers and a surprising amount of luggage space in the front trunk and rear bench area. Fuel efficiency is another hallmark of the Karmann Ghia. Its lightweight construction and efficient engine deliver impressive mileage, making it economical to drive even by modern standards. It's a car that proves you don't need to compromise style for practicality, offering the best of both worlds in a timeless package. That's the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, proof that style, performance, and practicality can come together in a perfect package. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Garage Cars for more classic car stories. See you next time.